Hi, it's Paul here. February 22nd. One of the things I haven't done in a while is talk about the south end of the valley. What I have here is south end of the valley here, clear over to Henderson. Here's Lake Las Vegas up here. But looks like we've got some decent properties here. That one's, I don't know why that one's in there. What the heck is that? Out of the area. What I grab here? Lake needing water. Shouldn't be there. Interesting. That's not lake needing water. It's like out in the middle of nowhere. Look at this place. It's got its own water supply. That is very interesting. 80,000. But it's not there. So where is it? White Mountain. Okay. Just mapped incorrectly. Alright. I'll have to fix that. So anyway, we have this Platinum Street here, $175,000. These are all single family homes, by the way. 650 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Little box there. It's a nice place to live, though. Look at that. A little bit of room around you. Little kitchen. It's just been refurbished recently for $175,000. And it's on Water Street there in Henderson. A lot of fun stuff goes on around here. That's a good little buy there. And let's just zoom in on our side over here. Down here a little bit, down to about right there. See what we got going on down here. $205,000 looks like the base price for a 1,300 square foot house. Almost looks like a converted mobile home, but I don't think it is. No. New paint, like, okay. So that is the least expensive one in Henderson, single family home. Just make sure here. Yep. Okay, then it looks like the most expensive home, 17.5 million, 17,000 square feet. Look at this monster. Wow. That is amazing. Wow. And of course, that's over in McDonald Highlands area. Okay, so let's squeeze this little guy down some more. To this area here. See what we got going on here. 4 minutes. Lowest price $259,000. That's the Sun City 55 plus neighborhood, I believe. Basic little house for $259,000. Eastern Reunion, yeah. Sun City Anthem, okay. And here we go, $8 million for this one, 9,600 square feet. Wow. that had a little interruption. Whoa, that's a nice looking house. I like that. I like the interior, but all that red, but the house itself is really nice for $8 million. Okay, so that's what's happening in this end of the valley. So, you have a wonderful day, and talk to you again soon.